How to create a Shopify product listing. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to add a product into your Shopify online store creation. So first thing on the homepage, you just need to click on add product, or you can just go ahead and go to product on the left side panel of the screen. And when adding a product, all you have to do is just to input the name of the product that you wish to add. For example, I have here is sarong pants. Once I have the name of the product, you can also add a description on what the product is about, and also you need to input or add an image for us to have a visualization on what the product is here. So as you can see, the images that I have just edited on the Canva platform, I'll just need to download that here for me to add it to my Shopify account. Okay, once everything has been added, I just need to go to add a product, and then I just need to click on add file. And there I will be choosing the product that I have just uploaded. And then click on open, and there you will have your product images on it already. Here, and there I already had the description added as well. And here on the variation, since this product is free size, so it fits all, what I did for the variation is only a difference with the color. So I have blue, red, white, and purple. So I just need to manually input the color for each product. Here it also has the prices of the product as well. And then there is also the quantity as well of the product. And once done, you can just click on save, and your product has been successfully added to the online store creation. And that's it for today's video. Thanks you for watching. Bye.